Alyssa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought that I filmed an intro, but I clearly didn't, so I'm doing it while I'm editing. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This week's video, I'm going to be redecorating my room and bringing you guys along with me, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the recent support. You guys are completely and utterly insane and amazing. I wanted to film a room tour with the redecorating, but it didn't really end up working, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and maybe the next video will be the room tour. You never know. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on with the video. What it looks like. That's so cute. Oh my god. You guys can see I got a lot of things for Christmas, so I'm gonna basically be decorating my room, and so I'm gonna try to kind of put these guys up right here. And yeah, so let's just see how this goes. There is a lot of them, as you can tell. It's a big pack. And then there's also this cute like little remote, and it's gonna be super duper cool. It's kind of a mess. I just filmed the what I got for Christmas haul. But yeah, okay, let's just see how this thing goes. Okay guys, so I think I figured it out. So this is basically going to be the top, and it's gonna hang one place, and then over here is gonna hang the other place. It's called right here, like that. And then these little tide thingies, they're gonna trickle down, and these are gonna have the lights, just like from here to here. So, I mean, I'm not even complaining. I'm just gonna have to take down my tapestry. So, I don't know how I'm gonna like get this up there, but you guys can just see my struggle. So this is what it all looks like, and obviously I'm going to take this down and probably straighten these out a little bit more, but this is pretty much what the gist of it is going to look like. I'm probably going to move that right over here, but this is what I kind of have done right now. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting up my moon mirror, and I was thinking of putting it like either like right here would be cute, or since there's already something right there, maybe like putting it like when I move it like this, just like kind of just like right here, you know, like that'd be super duper cute. And then maybe like down here. I could also put it like right here. So I'm actually gonna put these over here. So this one is gonna go right here and here, and then this one is gonna go right over here. This is actually really good for today. They came with these sticky sticks that I'm gonna use to stick up this right above here. So I've been kind of slowly cleaning up my room. As you guys can see, it's not super duper clean, but I was just informed that I just hit 400 subscribers. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I cannot contain my excitement. Oh my god, you guys are so amazing. Thank you guys so much for literally everything. I'm gonna go binge some YouTube videos, but here's just kind of what I have so far. Here is what this looks like. I can vlog in my mirror. That's so dope. Okay, and then I have my lights. And then here's my cloud light. And then all of my little decorations. I'm watering my plant right now. So yeah. And then I have these. I don't really turn on this light anymore. I kind of just like forgot I had it, so I turned it on today. But that's what I have over here. This wall's kind of plain, but if I feel like if I put something on it, it's gonna look really, really busy. So yeah, and then I have like all this garbage and then my messy bed. So that's just kind of what I have so far. But I will update you guys as soon as I make a little bit of a change, and yeah. So this is what we got so far. There's so many LED lights, but this is just kind of what we're working with right now. I really, really like this for some weird reason. I feel like it looks really, really good right here. But I found out about this is all these like numbers on the remote, you can like do different like settings. Like that looks so cool, and like this one, like that's so dope. I think I just need to tidy up, and I think I'm good for the room tour. I was originally gonna have the room tour and the decorating my room video gonna be in the same video, but I think that I want to do a really in-depth room tour where I show you guys kind of where everything is from and all that kind of stuff. So for that to happen, it needs to be its own video. But yeah, little sneak peek. I'm not showing you guys like everything, every nook and cranny, but you guys can kind of just like see the obvious things like the lights and all this kind of stuff. So yeah. So I think that is basically it for this week's video. I put like a little goal that I wanted to hit 400 subscribers by the end of the year, and I was like, this is insane, like I'm probably not gonna hit it, but like let's just like put this out there. We had 420 subscribers at this moment, so y'all are just insane. Like I cannot set goals for you guys, so maybe 500 subscribers by the end of the year. Because it's the 27th right now. I think I'm going to post this in a few days. So I might be able to hit it, but we'll just see. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for all the recent support. You guys mean the world to me. And yeah, I will see you guys next week for either the room tour or what's on my iPhone video.